shock replacement for the C4 Corvettes. This is probably going to cover the 84 to 90 C4 body style. Just got off work though. I got my new shocks here. Boom. In the back, ready to go. We're going to go ahead and we're going to jack her up. And I can show you where the shock mounting locations are. It's a pretty easy job. Only thing you got to worry about maybe is when you're lifting the car, making sure you use the right lifting points when you're jacking it up. I think I showed that on another video, oil change or something. So the shocks I'm putting on these are Monroe's. Found these on eBay. These are the Monroe. Just get them out of here and I can show you. Right there. Bam. Alright. These are the Monroe OE Spectrums. And they gotta be better than what I got on here now. I got some passenger Gabriel shocks on there and they suck. So we're gonna see how good these Monroes are. It's about $49 for two of them, or you can get 4 for $100. And we'll get it cracking like. These are the rears, I think. There we go. Bam. Never replaced the rear shocks on this car, so I don't really know how hard it is or anything, but I know we gotta take the wheels off. So let's get the wheels off. See what we got under there. Alright, let's take a closer look. AC Delco. We got 2 bolts here, 2 big bolts, and 1 lower bolt. Shouldn't be too hard unless they're rusted. WD-40. Loosen this up a little bit. Bottom. go. That shock is gone. Look at that. It won't even come back up. Wow, that sucker's gone. There's no pressure. Compare that to a new one. Let's do it side by side. I don't know when the shock was put on. You could probably put it on aftermarket. Here we go. Old versus new. It's a smaller trunnion. Kind of a smaller piston.